Hey guys, we are here filming what we get for winter in Ohio. This is actually going out for my friend Charles Dude on Xbox Live. He lives in Australia. He doesn't get this. As you can tell, wind is high, very high, and yeah, this is what you can see in the snow. I mean, look at this. I just got under a roof, so the blowing is not that bad. My hands are shivering, but I wanted to get this recorded for my buddy. Oh, fuck. Anyway, oh, look at these. Me and my friends fight with these all the time. Oh, we smoke them. They're nice. And this is actually from all the snow that they get off the roads. And look, they've already cleaned off the roads 3 times today. Want to see what the roads look like, Charge? Yeah, they're already covered. But yeah, Charge, this is going out to you, buddy. See ya.